There are a few stocks I'm watching for February 23rd on Monday, and here's what they are. With the overall market looking like it's going to be gapping down tomorrow, I will be watching a few short setups, and the first one I'm going to be watching is on AMD. We have a huge gap to fill down to 170 from the earnings a couple weeks ago. I will be watching this under this 195 spot. This has been one of the weaker stocks in the market over the last few weeks. Just basically been grinding lower, holding below than ADMA. And if we can break out or break down under 195, I can see this getting pushed down to under 190 and then 180. Another one of the weaker stocks is Iran. If we can break below 40, I think this sets it up to get down to 35 and below. Another one of the weaker stocks is going to be on Microsoft. This has just been continuing to make new lows over the last few months. And if this can break under 395, I think this sets it up to get down to below 390 and then potentially 380. And then a few stocks I'm going to be watching to the upside in the retail sector is going to be on American Eagle. That's one of them. I like this little weekly breakout and then followed up with a retest from last week. I think this has some room to the upside. Another one's going to be on Macy's with a nice little weekly base here. If we can break out over like 22.5, I like this to get back to the 24, 25s. I also like BMY, which is in the health sector, if this can get over 60. And GOD does have a nice little base to it right under this 468 level. So this can potentially get back to the highs.